It's just something knocking against the other. Hey, Jack, what's special about today?
It's snowing.
Bray. Ooh. Man.
What?
Tell me what's special about today, Bray.
It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. I have a snowball face. It's snowing. It's snowing. I have a snowball face.
What's wrong, Jack? You got ice stuck to your shoes?
Yeah. Doesn't matter. See? I just like burned the ice. That's so bad. What is
Scout, you having fun, boo? Oh, I've been hit. I've been hit. I'm gonna get it on video.
Do it again.
Oh, you missed me. You missed me, but I'm gonna get it on video that you got hit by a snowball.
Can you get on video?
Oh, I'm hit. Oh, I got hit again.
What?
Careful where you step.
No. Can I take my jacket off?
It's cold, Jack. I don't want you to get sick.
Not the... really, Jack.